4 days before the first round of polls in Bihar, Rashtriya Janata Dal on Saturday released its manifesto. A complete farm loan waiver, 10 lakh government jobs, 22% state budget for education, and regularization of several categories of ad hoc employees are the highlights of the manifesto. Releasing the manifesto, RJD leader and the chief ministerial face of the opposition alliance, Tejasvi Yadav, gave the rationale behind 10 lakh government job promise. He said, I have been asked several times about how I will create these jobs. Firstly, there are 4.5 lakh vacancies in various government departments from education to health to police, already earmarked but unfilled in the present regime. On top of that, we have calculated that an additional 5.5 lakh jobs are required to bring Bihar's administration at par with the national average. Hours after People's Democratic Party chief Mehbooba Mufti spoke at her first press conference since being released from 14 months of detention, the BJP on Friday accused her of making seditious remarks. We will raise the national flag only once our state flag is back. The national flag is here only because of this, that is the Jammu and Kashmir flag and constitution. We are linked to the rest of the country because of this flag, Mehbooba Mufti, who is a former Jammu and Kashmir chief minister, said on Friday, prompting criticism from the BJP and the Congress. Hitting out at the PDP president over the comments, Jammu and Kashmir BJP president Ravinder Raina told reporters that I request Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha to take note of the seditious remarks of Mehbooba Mufti, book her for seditious act and put her behind bars. The government has ordered 4,000 army shops in the country to stop buying imported goods according to a document reviewed by news agency Reuters, a move that could send an unwelcome signal to foreign liquor firms. Army canteens sell liquor, electronics and other goods at discounted prices to soldiers, ex-servicemen and their families. With annual sales of over $2 billion, they make up one of the largest retail chains in India. The October 19 internal order from the Defence Ministry said that in future, procurement of a direct imported item shall not be undertaken. The order said the issue had been discussed with the Army, Air Force and Navy in May and July and was aimed at supporting Prime Minister Narendra Modi's campaign to promote domestic goods. A Defence Ministry spokesperson, however, declined to comment on the matter. Bharat Biotech has said that Covaxin, its ICMR-backed vaccine for COVID-19, is set for a launch in June 2021. The Hyderabad-based vaccine maker, which has received approval for the Phase 3 trial, will enroll 26,000 volunteers for the late-stage testing in November. The trials will be conducted at around 30 sites in the country. A report in the Indian Express quoted Bharat Biotech International Limited's executive director Sai Prasad as saying that the vaccine should be ready by June 2021 unless the government advances its launch through emergency use authorization. With just days ahead of the US presidential elections, Democratic nominee reached out to Indian American community in an op-ed piece highlighting the shared joys the country enjoys with American Indians and highlighting the vice president's candidate Kamala Harris's Indian origins. Joe Biden had tried to reach out to the Indian diaspora, the population of which have significantly risen in the US, and tried to highlight the values and business opportunities the two countries have shared in the past in an op-ed article for India West.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.